Hi, Professor Lomax here. Just a quick tip of the day, siding. We're putting on lap siding right here, and you have to make sure that you hit every single stud on there. So what we did is we actually found all the studs. When we had the Tyvek, we marked everything. You can see the marks right there. And then we went up with a level and marked every single stud up there. Now it took a little bit of time to do that, and the only reason why that we do that is for ourselves, so that we know where each and every stud is. You must nail on every stud with this lap siding, otherwise it'll void the warranty. But more and critically, forget about the warranty for a second. If you don't hit the stud, you'll be able to pry this back like so, and it's very tight right there. So once you find the stud, you won't be able to pry that back. But if you hit in the middle of the stud, the bottom part, the bottom lap there will be loose. Also, we have a neat little trick right here where we put metal in, right here in between each and every seam, like so. And you can see it's a little bit different color than the siding, but it still works. It gives you the effect. It gives you the effect that it takes away that white color here from the Tyvek, and it also makes a nice seal. Now the nice thing about this metal flashing is that when you put it back in there, you don't have to caulk in every single crack, so you save a lot of time, and it makes that whole thing disappear. All you do to put this in right here, when you get to a seam, just put it down like so, put it in, butt the joints up together, and so on. It's as simple as that. Now, just so you know that every single end right here, whenever you cut the fascia, I mean the siding right here, or the trim, you have to paint the edges wherever you cut. And if you don't, you'll void the warranty, but also moisture will be able to get back in there and penetrate and dilapidate this material. So that's the quick tip of the day from Professor Lomax.